Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shredded potato salad is a dish that I like and often make. From the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine, potatoes are cold in nature, so I use hot chili to match it. The Compendium of Materia Medica records that eating potatoes raw can detoxify, and eating them cooked can relieve coughs caused by heat. Making shredded potato salad is not complicated. Let's get started. First, chop 4 cloves of garlic, 2 fresh red chili, chopped, 1 scallion, chopped. Set aside. Look at other seasonings: 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of oil, and 30 pieces of peppercorn. Prepare 2 potatoes, peel them. Then wash them. Shred potatoes with a hand grater. Add water and wash them to remove the starch on the surface of the potato shreds. Pour away the water. Heat a pot of water, bring to a boil. Blanch the shredded potatoes. The time here must not be too long, otherwise the dish will fail. Just 30 seconds after the water boils. Let them go through the cold water. Transfer to a large bowl. Add salt, sugar, vinegar, minced garlic, chopped chili, and scallion. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil and peppercorn until the oil starts to smoke. Pour over the shredded potatoes. Combine well with chopsticks. Delicious shredded potato salad is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.